How to apply monetization to Facebook page. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, let's go step by step and follow up the process to apply monetization on our page on Facebook. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up Facebook. You can either open up the Facebook application or go to facebook.com on your website. And once we have opened it up, we can just go over and access our Facebook page. If you're in your Facebook account, look out for your profile in the top right and click on it and switch up to your Facebook page first and go ahead and click on the option called monetization. So here on our left hand side, we can find an option called professional dashboard that we can click on it. And once we click on it within the professional dashboard, we can look out for the monetization option. Otherwise, you can also directly go to the creator tools via Meta Business Suite and go ahead and open it up and go ahead and select option for monetization. So once we have selected monetization here, you'll be finding different options such as content monetization, how content monetization work. We have an overview provided here for in-stream ads, ads on real subscription, etc. You can just go and click on one of each to look out for your status and see if you are eligible or not. So right now I'm not eligible, but you'll be finding option for eligible if you are. And once you are eligible, you just need to go over and view it. You need to have at least 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days and at least 5 active videos, no policy violation. And once you do so, you'll be eligible and you can directly apply for monetization. You can just go and click on the option called setup or apply and accept the terms and conditions and set up your payment account option. And once it is done, you can wait for the review. And once approved, you will be getting a notification. You just need to go over and follow out that method. And that's it. While doing so, you must follow the Facebook monetization policy and also avoid the reused or copyrighted content. But that's how you basically apply for it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.